In today's fast-paced world, meal preparation can feel like a never-ending chore. That's where this Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget programmable slow cooker 33969A comes to the rescue. This innovative slow cooker redefines convenience and cooking control, making it the perfect solution for busy individuals or families who want to enjoy home-cooked meals without the hassle. Whether you're an expert in the kitchen or a beginner, the set and forget programmable slow cooker delivers delicious results with minimal effort. Let's take a closer look at why this product is a must-have, from its impressive features to the benefits it brings to your kitchen. Why you need the Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget programmable slow cooker. The Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget programmable slow cooker is a game changer for anyone who loves the convenience of slow cooking but craves the precision and flexibility modern technology provides. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or simply someone who loves hassle-free meals, this slow cooker is the perfect kitchen companion. Its smart technology, patented temperature probe, and easy-to-clean features make it the ultimate choice for stress-free cooking. Why you'll love the Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget programmable slow cooker. Gone are the days of constantly watching over your slow cooker. The Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget slow cooker brings smart cooking technology right to your kitchen. With 3 distinct cooking modes, probe, program, and manual, this slow cooker provides you with the freedom to cook meals with ease. Probe mode. Set the temperature probe to monitor the internal temperature of meat cuts like pot roast or chicken. It will automatically switch to the warm setting once the desired temperature is reached. Program mode. Program the slow cooker to cook for a specific number of hours, and it will automatically switch to warm once done, ensuring your food stays at the perfect serving temperature. Manual mode. Traditional slow cooking with options to select high, low, or warm for up to 24 hours. The ability to cook to a precise temperature, set cooking times, or simply keep food warm makes this slow cooker incredibly versatile and user-friendly. Whether you're preparing a juicy roast or a comforting soup, you can trust this appliance to handle it all. One standout feature of this slow cooker is the patented temperature probe. The probe ensures you can cook large cuts of meat, such as beef brisket, pork tenderloin, or a whole chicken, to perfection. Simply insert the probe into the meat, set your desired temperature, and the cooker does the rest. The digital control panel will display the exact temperature so you can monitor the cooking process with ease. Accurate cooking, no more guesswork. Get your meat cooked to the perfect level every time. Tender, flavorful results. The probe helps retain moisture, ensuring that your meat is tender and juicy. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for preparing large portions, making it ideal for families or when you have guests over. Whether you're cooking a 6-pound chicken, a 4-pound roast, or a large pot of stew, this slow cooker provides ample space to cook enough for everyone at the table. Family-friendly. Great for preparing meals for 6 or more people. Large roasts and whole chickens. You'll have no trouble cooking larger cuts of meat without overcrowding the pot. The clip-tight gasket lid ensures that the lid stays secure, even when you're on the go. This feature is especially convenient when transporting your dish to a party, potluck, or tailgate event. The tight seal helps prevent spills, keeping your meal intact while you're on the move. Ideal for travel. No more worrying about messy spills or leaks in the car. Convenient for potlucks. Take your dish to your next gathering without a hitch. We all know that cleaning up after cooking can be a chore, but the Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget slow cooker takes the stress out of cleanup. The removable crock and glass lid are both dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup quick and easy. Just pop the parts into the dishwasher, and you're done. Hassle-free cleanup, no scrubbing necessary. Dishwasher safe. Spend more time enjoying your meal and less time cleaning. There's nothing worse than having your slow cooker reset during a power outage. Fortunately, the Hamilton Beach set and forget slow cooker comes with power interrupt protection. In the event of a brief power interruption, 5 seconds or less, the slow cooker will resume cooking at its previous settings, ensuring your food stays on track. No cooking disruptions. Your slow cooker remembers your settings, even after a short power loss. Reliable cooking. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that your meal won't be ruined. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.